Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to create a professional quality video in just minutes using InVideo AI. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or small business owner, this tool can save you tons of time. Let's jump right in. Before we continue, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. First, head over to invideo.io/AI and log in or create a free account. Once you're in, you'll land on the AI video generation dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Now in the prompt box, type your video idea or a full script. You can say something like, make a 1-minute explainer video about the benefits of meditation. The more specific you are, the better the result. Choose your video tone, friendly, professional, witty, and so on. Then set the video length and pick from AI-generated voiceover styles or choose to upload your own. When you're ready, click Generate Video. InVideo AI will now pull stock footage, generate voiceover, subtitles, and background music and match it all to your script. It usually takes under a minute. Once it's done, you can preview the video. Pretty impressive, right? Want to fine-tune it? Click Edit Video and you'll be taken to InVideo's classic editor. Here, you can swap clips, change fonts, adjust transitions, or add your own branding elements. You can even add your logo, change the music track, or insert custom call to actions. When you're happy with your video, just click Export. It'll render in a few minutes and you can download it or directly share to platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Here are a few quick tips. Keep your script short and to the point. Always preview your video before exporting. Use the edit option to add your unique branding. Try different tones and styles to see what fits your audience. And that's it. You just made a high-quality video with InVideo AI in under 10 minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more AI tools and video hacks, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe.